Hey, English learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're spilling all the secrets, and maybe a few beans too. We're talking about the idiom, spill the beans. So what does it mean to spill the beans? It means to reveal a secret or share information that was supposed to be kept quiet.
Don't spill any more beans.
What's going on? Spill the beans!
For example, if your friend accidentally tells someone about their surprise party, you might say, "You spilled the beans," because they let the secret out. This idiom is perfect when someone reveals information they weren't supposed to. But hey, sometimes spilling the beans can be fun too. Coworker 1, I heard there's going to be a big announcement soon. Coworker 2, I'm not supposed to say anything, but okay, I'll spill the beans. We're getting bonuses.
Boss, she spilled the bean.
Somebody spilled the beans?
You gonna spill the beans?
The next time someone gives away a secret, you'll know the perfect way to describe it. Spilling the beans. Just be careful not to spill too many yourself. If you loved this idiom, make sure to check out the rest of our idioms playlist. We've got tons of fun and useful expressions to help you speak English more naturally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome lessons. See you next time.